Hi, this is the SONY Xperia XA2 and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So open first the Play Store application because we should get the Muviz application from the Play Store to use the AD option, because unfortunately we have not installed by default the AD option in our device. So find Muviz app, tap to install to get this application, and we'll just wait a couple of seconds. So after that, tap to open the app, click to draw our apps, tap on the switcher and click to go back. Here tap to AD section and select one from these available tabs. Just tap to apply, and now just let's lock the device. Let's press twice to the power key button and we could see that the Always On Display option successfully activated. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.